Is that my ship or yours? No, it's mine. It's mine. Almost done. Could have told me it was almost done. You've not. Look, there's enough lights, look. All them lights, look. Landing a minute. We're going landing a minute. Touchdown in a minute. Feel the jerk in a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Antalya, where the local time is 2 hours ahead of the UK and just approaching 10 o'clock in the evening. The outside temperature is 17 degrees. For everybody's safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the airplane has stopped and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Before leaving us today, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Please take time to have a look in the seat pockets and